I prefer the Western Digital Caviar Black. 1 terabyte's good enough to me. I don't do a lot of pictures of movies or anything like that. If you do a lot of movies, I definitely go with a 2 terabyte or 2.5. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's nice down the road. I always replace my whole computer after 2 years. I've been built well over 50 computers, and I've been doing it myself for about 10 years now. So Western Digital has never failed me, knock on wood. So great little hard drive, very inexpensive, and the 1 terabyte is going to go a lot faster with the 32 megabyte cache. It's just as quick as buying a Raptor. It's 10,000 RPMs. I mean, this one is actually quicker to me than the Raptor, which I had a Raptor, but it died on me. So, you know, either way. So little things like that don't make a big difference, so don't waste your money on it. It's a great hard drive.